Hello everyone, welcome back. Sowson here. Today it's baby back ribs, everyone's favourite. I'll be slow cooking it. All I need is a pot and a lid. Might take a little over an hour to make, but by the time I'm finished, I'm going to make it so sweet and so sticky, you'll be licking your fingers. Are you ready to start cooking? Come on. I've got one rack of pork ribs. I'm going to dry rub it, then place it in my pot slow cooker. But before we do that, I'm going to show you how there's a bit of membrane at the back of the pork ribs. What you need to do is just slice it and take it away, because if you don't, it's going to take a little longer to cook. Now all you do is pretty much get under the skin, make a little incision, get your tissue, and pull away. It's a bit sticky. Starting with salt, just rub it straight through, turn it over, pepper, a little paprika, and of course this is our garlic and ginger paste. With a little bit of olive oil, and then I'll be adding a little bit of rice wine vinegar. Meat side down. A cup of rice vinegar. Bring down the heat, right down, and lid on top. We're going to let that sit for 20 minutes until nice and soft. Starting with soya sauce, chilli sauce. As you can see, I've got 1 cup of each. Barbecue sauce, cranberry sauce, and of course, honey. Mix it all together. I'm going to put some on top of the ribs and the rest will be for dipping. It's falling off the bone and it only took 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add the sauce. As you can see, it's getting brown, thick and sticky, and that's what we're looking for. And it's finished. Are you ready? Here we go. Ta-da! Just layering the plate. Not forgetting the juices. I'm going to put some of this juice all over it. Best pork ribs ever. I've never seen anything so beautiful. Now I'm going to eat it. So we're going to test it. The smell is gorgeous. It is soft. The ginger, the garlic, chili sauce and barbecue sauce. Amazing. And look, it is sticky. Are you hungry? And we've even got dipping sauce. This is really good. Gotta go guys. Please like and subscribe. Get on your notification button and get yourself started and you'll have more pork ribs on the way. Until then, have an amazing day guys. Bye.